Hey, welcome back to Heartland Rebuilds. I'm working on the tailgate of this F-150. I'm going to get this sprayed with bedliner. I'm going to use this Raptor Liner. I had this for a while. It's left over from another project, so I'm going to use about 1 liter of this. So this is pretty simple. You just take some of this, put it in this bottle until it's full, and then put this adapter on here, hook this up to air, and then spray it. So before we get to that though, I need to get this part right here, this access panel, unbolted. I'm going to lift that up a little bit, raise it off, and then tape around underneath here so it doesn't get inside of this tailgate step. So first step is to take some of that green scuff and then scuff the rest of this. I know it's already pretty scuffed up from being used and old, but I just want to make sure it's prepped correctly. So here we go. So I just finished up with the first scuffing over here with this kind of this green scratch bright pad. So I got everything kind of scuffed up, so I'm going to take these T25 bolts out so I can finish scuffing up along the edge here, and then get this raised up. I'm going to have to tape off everything that I don't want sprayed and go from there. Got everything scuffed down, wiped down with some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to go around to some blue tape and tape this off and everything that I don't want sprayed, and then grab some of the plastic liner over there and put around everything else I don't want sprayed, like these very expensive taillights. 90% of the work's prep. Everything's taped off that I don't want sprayed. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix this hardener into this container. Kind of hard to see in there, but it's going to get filled up to that line. Now I got to put the cap on and shake it up. It's all nice and mixed up. Probably should be wearing gloves. Anyway, so this just goes in here. Right now I guess that's about 55 psi. So let's see what it looks like. All right, there is 1 liter of paint of Raptor Liner. I think I got all of the little spots as much as I could. So now I'm going to put on some gloves, start pulling off this tape while it's still wet. Gives you a nice crisp line, hopefully. We'll see. Here it is with all of the tape removed. Got a nice clean line along the sides. So I should sit this up and let it sit for well, an hour or so, then put it back together, but I'm kind of impatient, so I'm going to drop that onto here and bolt it down. This is a finished product. Raptor Liner bed liner, swapped over tailgate with the tailgate step. Thank you for sticking around, watching to the end of the video. I will see you on the next time. Make sure to like and subscribe and stick around and watch me for more videos like this in the future of random projects like bedliner or whatever. All right, bye.